90% of people waste water while washing hands. Are you one of them? Let's fix that with the Smart Touchless Tap. This system uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect your hand automatically. These are all the components we used. Now let's see the connections. Connect the relay module VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground and in pin to pin 7. For the LCD display, VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground, SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. Connect the ultrasonic sensor, VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground, trigger to pin 9 and echo to pin 10. Connect the water pump through the relay. Pumps positive to relay NO, pumps negative to the power supply ground and relay COM to power supply positive. Make sure all the grounds are common and use a separate power supply for the pump. Now let's see the code. Paste the code in Arduino IDE. Then select the board as Arduino Uno. Next, choose the correct port. Now click on upload. And that's it. Our code is successfully uploaded. Now the working. When you place your hand, the water turns on for 10 seconds and the LCD shows a live countdown. If you remove your hand early, it shows "Great! Saved water!" After that, it reminds you use water wisely. This project improves hygiene, saves water and make your tap smart. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.